Hey guys, Mark's here and wow guys, it's quite a while since pinost ko yung last video ko. Mga 3 months ago na siya and grabe, ang bilis lang. And you know guys, I miss vlogging. I miss talking to the camera, in front of camera. And yeah, it's quite busy kaya hindi ako masyado nakakapag-upload. So, but I still keep uploading if I have a right time to do it. Kasi grabe, every time I have my rest day, so I just chill in and relax lang to, you know, sometimes it's getting stressed, but it's part of our life. But anyway guys, the purpose of this vlog is that I think I found one of my dream bag. Actually, this is one of my favorite bag. Design bag and brand, and this is a Ricky bag but in different color again guys. Yes, I'm excited to share to all of you guys, even though it have a sign of use and a little bit of low, but anyway I didn't bother since I love this bag and I got it in the cheapest price, you know guys, that I love to buy a bag that sobrang mura lang niya, but anyway it can be used every time, so it doesn't matter for me kasi once I love the bag, I use it. So I don't, sometimes I make baby to my bag, sometimes I use it because it's a bag, but at the end of the day, I'm so in love all my bags, especially the Ricky bag. But now guys, this is the color that I really want for a quite long now, for quite some time, since the first time that I purchased a Ricky bag, because my first Ricky bag is in the black color with the red lining. So yung kuya ko, kinuha niya na, hiningin niya na. So, yeah. And now, ito talaga yung bag. Actually, napapatingin ako sa kanya. Ito talaga yung bag na gustong-gusto ko for the first time na bumili ako ng Ricky. Because it's so classic. And some of my Ricky bag pala, I already sold since the color fit. It's not fit on me. And parang seasonal color lang siya. I'll stick to classic colors since, you know, classic colors is so timeless and elegant, beautiful. But anyway guys, all Ricky are beautiful. So yeah. So guys, are you excited? Because I'm so excited. Actually, I use it twice. Ito yung pangalawa kong gamit sa kanya. Kasi nahinlove talaga ako sa kanya. Tan-tan-tan-tan-tan! Oh my god guys. Look it. Look the beauty of it. Oh my god. This is the color that I looking for talaga for a year ago. Parang kasi some of my Ricky's, it's been 2 years na sa akin. So, since the first time that I bought the Ricky bag, sabi ko, I want that kind of color na brown. Kasi may black na ako, and meron din akong yellow and gold. So, I want that brown. Kasi yung classic color is usually black and brown and white. But yung white kasi hindi ako masyado kasi di ba madumi yan. But this color is perfect siya for me since it's not so vibrant, because some of my Ricky's, it's really striking talaga yung color niya. Ito kasi yung muted na color na pagka-brown, which is it's really perfect for my daily use kasi I use it for office. And yeah, in office ko lang siya ginagamit. And this is the perfect size sa mga nag-office like me. And you know guys, when the first time I saw it, yung pagka-shoot talaga, sabi ko, ang ganda niya. Kasi yung the picture of the seller, parang it's quite blurred. And I want it to look talaga in person. Kasi sometimes it's different on how the camera captured the bag compared to when you saw it personally. Then guys, when I saw this bag, sabi ko, kukunin ko yan, gusto ko yan, tawad, kahit wala na akong budget, tatawaran ko yan, magbebenta ko ng bags. Nagbenta ko ng bag, at ito yung kapalit. So yung bag na yon is, oh my god, gusto ko din yung bag na yon, but mas bet ko talaga to actually. And ito siya guys. Sa paano niya, wala naman. Siguro may mga dumi-dumi. And, you know, that Ricky is parang soft Ricky siya. So, madali malukot yung leather. But it's okay for me kasi parang it add characteristics sa bag pag gano'n. And, ayan siya. Meron naman siyang konting dirt. And, nandito yung wrap doon. And, yung ano ko dito. And, actually, nandito gamit ko. Nilagyan ko na din siya ng organizer. And ang maganda dito guys, because it's lining, it's color tangerine. tangerine color. And nandito pa yung Ricky niya. So, naka-plastic pa siya. And, yeah. Kaya gusto ko yung Ricky lalo ng size 33 because it's so spacious. Ang dami mo malalagay talaga, as in super dami, guys. So parang mas malaki pa siya sa Hermes Birkin, kung tutuusin. Or madami pa siyang malalagay sa Hermes Birkin. Kasi parang expandable. And you know, guys, na ang Ricky, pwede mo siya style in different ways, di ba? Na, ano ko na din last time. The only, ito pa pala. So, there's a Ralph Lauren dito, tapos made in Italy. And then, the only problem, actually, yung sinabi sa akin ng seller, I love that seller also kasi it's really honest. And, you know, when we buying a bag, must be, we all know all the condition, every corner of the bag, every handles, every strap, every lining, all of the condition of the bag, you just know, is here, guys. Oh. Here. So, a little bit of fading here. And, parang may ganito siya. Ay, no. Here, but. Yan siya. Parang siyang nasugatan here. But, the, I don't know if they use knife. But, it's not potol. So, it's not, so, in the other side na, here and also here. So, every time I use it, so, ganyan siya. But, it's not noticeable. So when I asked for my restorer to fix this, they said that they will replace the handle. But I told them that maybe I just use twilling na lang kasi di pa naman siya ganun ka sira talaga. So maybe twilling can hold its issue. Kasi diba yung twilling parang na ano niya. But anyway guys, for the meantime, ganito po siya ginagamit. Kasi ang classic niya talaga tignan, kung titignan mo, ayan siya. And you know guys, ang gusto ko pa din talaga sana is, kasi there's two types of Ricky. The one it's the all metal. Ito kasi the leather type, yung closure niya. Maganda, for me mas prepared ko, mas maganda ang atake, the more na appealing nung Ricky metal compared to this one. But I love also this one kasi it's full leather. But the only problem this one is every time na you lock it, sometimes pag natamaan mo here, nagmo-mark to the leather. So much better, you're super careful if you're own a Ricky bag, so be careful na pag leather kasi di ba yung metals can scratch. Ito kasi pwede siya magkaroon ng press, tapos ayun. But anyway guys, it's so pretty. So no. So yun siya. So super laki. Oh my god. Mano yun ako. So ganyan siya kalaki guys. Size 33. So ganyan siya. It's really classic though. No? Super ganda niya. And I just can't believe that sabi ko, I'll stop buying now for the meantime. And then you know, perfect timing. I don't know if it's perfect timing or just I'm just impulsive to buy this bag because this is the color that I really want for so long. And when my friend, one of my FB friend, and also she owned Ricky. So, oh my God, sir, your bag is so beautiful. So, ayan na. So, I'm excited. Yeah, super duper, I love this bag and I used it, and later I have a gala, so ito talagang binag ko. But anyway guys, that's it, and I hope you like my video, and I'm so in love with this one. So this is my Ricky and I'm still loving it, and I think magsasama kami ng sobrang tagal kasi nung mahilig ko sa Ricky, mahilig ko sa classic color, and magagamit ko talaga siya sa lahat, lalo sa pag-office ko. But anyway guys, that's it for today's video, and I hope you enjoy and you love my new Ricky bag. So thank you guys for watching and see you on my next vlog. Bye!